End of financial year is a great time to reconnect with your potential sellers. And LockedOn is going to give you some templates that you can use now to reconnect with them. To install these templates, go to Engine, scroll down to Packs, and in the Packs database, you'll see Special Events. If you have this installed already, simply hit Update Pack to get our new end of financial year templates. If you don't have this installed, click Install and it will install all of the Special Events templates. Once they're installed, we'll need to customize the 3 templates we're going to use today. So inside the engine, you'll go to Templates, and the first one we're going to look at is the letter. Search End of Financial Year, EOFY, and you will download the letter. Once the letter opens, hit the Enable Editing option. Most of the fields in the letter will merge based on the merge tags we have. But you will need to set some particular information in this section when we are appraising your street. Your street has been scheduled for, put in the day and date to day and date. So you could do this from the second week of June to the end of June. Once you've updated your dates and changed anything else you'd like in the letter, simply hit the Save option and close down the Word file. You'll then need to edit the letter and upload your document that you've downloaded onto your PC so it overwrites the existing one. I've now saved the new file, and then I'll hit Edit Template, which saves that into LockedOn. The second thing you'll need to review is the SMS. So if you search End of Financial Year, you'll see the template June 2023 End of Financial Year. You'll be able to hit Edit, read over the text here, and make any changes you need, and then hit Save. The final step is the email. Again, search End of Financial Year. You'll be able to see the June 2023 End of Financial Year. Hit Edit. Again, read over the text. And in the email, we'll need you to change this third sentence. Property prices in location or area have increased dramatically in the last year. What we would suggest here is that you put in a broad area. So you may call that the Hunter region or the Sydney area. Don't put in particular suburbs unless you are targeting just a particular suburb. So it's better to make it broad. You also can see we have another section in here called When We Will Be in Your Street. Appraisals for, again, type the area, are scheduled for day date to day date. So again, you might put the middle of June to the end of June. Once you have edited the 2 areas of the email template, you can then hit Save. And then you can save and close. Now we're ready to send all of these. The letter we want you to target to your property database. So in the properties database, clear your filter and use the advanced search and search property details. In the property details, you want to search for the status, and generally you're going to search your potentials, appraisals, and taken off the markets. These are all your future sellers that you have database that own a property. You'll then hit Apply, and you'll use the Send Letter option. You'll then pick the template, which is the End of Financial Year, and you will confirm how many people it's going to and hit Merge Letter. This will take you through to the Letters database where you'll see your letter. If you do not see your letter, it has not hit the queue yet, simply refresh the screen. You'll then hit Download Merge Letters. You'll now see that the letter has merged. It will be to the homeowner if you don't know their name or details. And if we scroll down the screen, you'll see that I have details for Christine. So it's addressed to Seawood and it says, Hi Christine. We suggest you print your letters and send these off a week before you do your email and SMS. So ideally, you would like to be doing these letters this week. Let's look at stage 2 and 3. Once your letters have been sent and you've given it a week, you'll then come into LockedOn and you can click on your potential sellers. If you click the 24, it means you're doing it for the whole office, or if you click the 16, you're doing it for your clients. In this example, I'm going to do it on an office level. Now that we have all the potential sellers and we've edited our email and SMS, we're going to send them at the same time. So with all the potential sellers, I'm first of all going to send the email, and it will load all of the people I have an email address for that are potential sellers, and we're going to select the June 2023 End of Financial Year campaign. Now remember, you've already edited all of the text of this template. To send this, we want to send it from not the person logged in, but the agent who is associated to the client we're sending it to. When you're ready to send, you'll confirm the number of people it's going to, which is 24, and you'll then hit send email. Now, once the email is sent, you'll have the same list of people. We suggest that you then send your SMS. So picking the SMS, we have 27 mobile numbers. We'll select the end of financial year, June 2023. Remember, the text have been edited. We're going to select the dynamic send of primary agent, and we then confirm that it's going to 27 people, and we hit send SMS. If you want to see what the text looks like, you can hit update preview to see an example of this text merged. When you're ready to send, confirm and hit send. So now you have a great 3-stage strategy to connect with all of your potential sellers coming up to the end of financial year. Target your letter to the people you know that own a property from the property database, and send your SMS and email roughly a week later after you've sent the letter to your potential sellers. We look forward to the results you get, and please share them with us. All the best.